نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذ أوى الفتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا. السلام علیکم. Title: Rule of Youth in Building Characters. Respectable, honorable teacher and my dear friend, today I want to speak about the rule of youth in building good characters. Youth is the most important part of life. When we learn and practice in our youth decides our future. What is characters? Character means honesty, good manners, self-control, respect and responsibility. A person's real character is shown by action, not by word. Islam gives great importance to characters. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that he was sent to perfect good characters. This shows that characters is the heart of Islam. Why youth is important? Youth are the strength of any nation. Today youth are tomorrow's elders, parents and teachers. If the youth have good characters, youth is the most important part of life. Society become peaceful and successful, but if the youth have loose moral values, society suffers. Today young people face many challenges like bad company, social media misuse and wrong habits. That is where strong characters is more important than ever qualities youth must have. Faith in Allah. When a young person remember Allah, he stay away from bad deeds. Honesty and honest person earns trust, respect and responsibility. Discipline. Success comes to those who control their time and desires. Respect for parents, elders and teachers is a sign of good characters. Hard work. Islam teaches us to work sincerely and give our best in every field. Rule of youth in society. A good youth helps others speak the truth, stand against injustice. Even small good action can change society. Youth should use technology and social media in a positive way. Result. Dear friend, in our golden time, let us build our characters with honesty and discipline and faith. If our youth are strong in characters, may Allah guide our youth and help good human being. Jazakallah wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.